So I'm gonna change these headlamps today to bring a better look on this car, and just the owner wants them because he thinks that they're not really bright enough for him. So I'm gonna be installing the new headlights today. So that's how they light. As you can see, there's like some marks right here from all the stones from the highway. So I'm gonna be putting new ones on. The open here, you see the headlight, so you're gonna have to remove the front bumper. Okay, and then I'm gonna start off by removing this grill. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4 screws, and then there should be the 5th one, but as you can see it's broken off, so we don't have to worry about that. So let's remove these. So now, after the bolts are removed, this thing simply comes off. Okay, so after the grill is removed, there's gonna be a bolt underneath, right there. And then I'm just gonna show you. Let's see. So as you can see, there should be a bolt or clip there. There's a clip right there, and there's like 2 more clips there, I think, or bolts. Some of them are bolts, like that one. I don't know if this is factory, but yeah. And then I was talking about these bolts. That one. That's what you have to remove, and it's gonna be the same thing on the other side. And then let me show you from the top. There's these like clips. 1, 2, 3, 3 of them. So let's start removing the stuff. Well, surprisingly, this bolt didn't break. It's so rusty. These ones, you can even use a flathead, doesn't matter. They just unscrew really easily. Screw them, they just come out like clips basically. So this turn signal comes off separately, so I'm gonna remove this bolt first. Gotta play with this thing. To remove the bolt, you have to push this thing forward so it comes out like that. Now you have the connectors to disconnect. And that's off and out of the way. There's a bolt here, here, and also there's a bolt right there. I already removed those. My headlight is almost ready to come out, but there's also the bolt right there. Let me try to show you. I don't know if you can see. Barely. There's another bolt right there, but I'm gonna try to take it off, but you might need like a swivel or something. So, to get to that bolt, just want to show you. So, where's my light? I removed part of this inner fender, and I don't know if I'll be able to see, but there's my socket and a ratchet over there, and I can get to it through underneath, so I'm taking it off right now. That should be my basically last bolt, plus this one right here. That's what I have to take off also. It's my last bolt. It's so rusty. Of course, you can remove the bumper. It's gonna be easier, but just want to save some time. Do it this way. It's probably gonna be harder putting it back in, but we'll see. So now everything is, all the bolts are out. You have to push it forward because of these guides. Okay, like so. And then on the back, let's try. Yeah, it's kind of. Okay, so as you can see, this headlight is loose, but I'm actually gonna have to drop this bumper. Remove these last screws right here, and I already disconnected that side, so I'll have to drop this because otherwise it's not gonna come out. It's just no space. So I tried it many different ways, it's just not gonna go. One more time, there's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's actually 9 clips on the top that you have to remove, and these ones are the hardest to get to because you have to disconnect the light first, and then you can get to these. Otherwise you cannot get to this thing. Okay, and then after you do that, then as you can see, you can pop off this bumper, and now I'll be able to squeeze this light through. Now I'm gonna move on to that side. I need to remove that side, and then the whole bumper will come off. So let me tell you what, you better be prepared when you do this job, because this is literally the worst design ever. So you cannot remove the bumper just like that, because underneath the headlight there's 2 clips, 2 here and 2 over there, as you can see, that I was struggling with. So you basically, to get to them, you have to remove the headlight. You have to unbolt it first, so you get some kind of access to those clips. Okay, and to do that, you have to remove 2 bolts here, 1 right there, okay, 1 right here, and the last one, it's gonna be hard to see. I was trying to show you on that side, but there's the bolt right there. And you have to basically pop this thing loose, and after that you'll be able to get to those clips. Removed all of these 5 bolts. Now I can basically move this thing forward a little bit, and then see. So when this headlight is tilted like that, give me 1 second. So you have to hold the headlight up like this and somehow remove those clips. Okay, so let me try to do that, which is gonna be so fun. So these are two clips that unfortunately I had to break off because they stripped, because there's no space to get to them. I had to break them off, and now this bumper basically slides off. Alright. Now I have to disconnect the connectors. You have to press on the side. Now the bumper is off. Now I have to take off these, looks like 2 bolts holding this metal thing on, like yeah, bumper, I don't know, reinforcement. So I gotta do that. Looks like it's an Allen key. Так. Now this one. Yeah. Should be ready to come off. 2 more underneath. So there's 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. Alright, so then remove this one completely out. As you can see, I moved it down. Okay, that one is off, that's fine. And now I have space to remove the headlights. Remove that thing completely. Now here's my headlight assembly. What I'm gonna have to do is remove the connectors, and it's gonna be out of there, basically. Okay, one headlight is out. That's how it looks. Spot right here. That's how it looks. Okay, let's remove that one. Alright, both headlights are disconnected. Now I can start putting the new headlights on. Alright, this is our new headlight. And the bulbs are already inside, so I don't have to worry about the old ones. I don't have to swap them or anything. Okay, I already connected the connectors. So I didn't tighten anything down. I'm just gonna connect the other headlight and then turn on the headlights and make sure everything works. The second headlight is connected now. I'm just gonna check if they work. Let's see. Okay, this works. That, everything. Alright, now I'm gonna check turn signals. I'm checking turn signals. Alright, I just put this thing in place. Again, those 4 bolts. Now this one has to go probably like this. So, and then the bumper goes over the top. 2, 3, these plastic pieces go inside of this thing. And now I'm ready to put this bumper on. I just connected the turn signals underneath, and I'm ready to put this bumper back on. So as you can see, everything is reassembled. That's how it all looks now. As you can see, everything works great. Everything lights up. That's how bright these headlights are. So it's really not bad.